Guys, good morning. Can you hear me? Please, 1 minute. You will
Good
start the
morning.
class. 1 minute. Because some guys are facing internet issues. They're joining and left the meeting. 1 minute. You will start the class. 1 minute. Meanwhile, you can try to check this diagram. Like most of the technology depends on. or just you can take the snap, guys. Otherwise, just you can take the notes regarding this point. Like most of the technology require the Java. Ashish. So yesterday I shown this PPT, right? So yesterday we didn't start any Java related information, guys. Just yesterday we discussed about some importance of just we discussed yesterday your questions and answer session. Today I'll start some information about the Java. Yeah, increase the volume. I'll increase now. 1 second. Yeah, 1 minute, guys. We'll start the class. 1 minute, please. Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, good morning. Good morning. How are you? Yes, please mute. Volume is low. Remind me, volume is okay.
Volume is
Yes,
okay.
volume is
Somewhat of
clear.
disturbance is there.
Because of you guys are unmuted, right? Some guys, because of that you got that disturbance, guys. If everyone is muted, we will not get any
Mhm.
disturbance. That's what while talking, while you're asking the questions, just you can unmute. The remaining time, just everyone please mute. Make sure that your side, the mic is muted, okay? Yeah, if I mute Narendra, what happened, you guys are unable to talk. If I was muted everyone, then you are unable to talk. So you can respond only in chat. That's what I can give the option like unmute. Yeah, when you are talking, just you can unmute. While listening the class, just be muted. That's the point. Yesterday, we'll see some introduction about our Java, guys. So before starting technology programming language, so at least you have to some information about the Java, right? Exactly. Okay, that's what you go for the Java introduction. Okay, slowly we will enter into subject. Don't think like first day itself I need the practicals, programming and all. Slowly we'll enter into the syllabus. Okay. Yes or no? Uh, Slowly we'll enter into subject, guys. Don't expect like first day, second day itself more practicals, more programming. So because some guys are maybe know some of the basics of Java, some guys new to Java, some guys are what first time you are seeing the programming language, right? So for everyone, I will follow the same tempo so that you'll understand, even low level person can understand, high level person can understand. Slowly we'll move forward. Okay. Java introduction, guys. Before starting, just we have to know who is author of Java, right? Guys, who is the author of Java means, so James Gosling is author of Java, guys. Guys, James Gosling is what? James Gosling is author of Java. And vendor, guys, when you go for the vendor is like what, Sun Microsystems, guys. So Java product from which company means Sun Microsystems, right? Because initially Java product from Sun Microsystem, now the Java from which company, guys? Oracle Corporation, right? Because this Oracle is acquired Sun Microsystem, now the Java product from which company? Yeah, Oracle Corporation, right? Exactly. Guess who is the author means James Gosling. Who is the vendor means what is Sun Microsystem. So initially it is from Sun Microsystem, guys. Now the Java product from which company here? Oracle Corporation, right? Exactly. Guess initial name of Java. What is the initial name of Java, guys? Initially the Java name is called what? Oak language, right? Guys, initially the Java name is called what? Oak language. And the present name, guys, present later they rename it to Java, right? Exactly. Yes, initially we are calling it as Oak language, guys. Oak is a tree name. Guys, Oak is what? Completely tree name. Yeah, Oak is like tree name, guys. It's a national tree in US because he likes that. Your voice is not audible. Reminding guys, can you hear me? Yeah,
Yeah,
your
can
voice is
hear.
not audible. Reconnect. Now, you do just you can try to check your side. Maybe the possibility is their volume increase because reminding guys everyone is able to see listen properly. Reminding guys voice is clear, right? Yes. Now you just you can try to check. Yeah, try to check your side. There may be chance of volume increasing. Huh? Reminding guys, you can hear me properly. Yeah. Guys, initial name is like Oak language, guys, which is like tree name. So present name is like Java. Guys, this completely the names are depends on other guys. Completely names are depends on other. So James Gosling like this tree name. That's what he gave the Oak language. Later, he used it to take the coffee. The coffee powder is imported from Java island. That's what he later he named to what Java language, right? Exactly. Because even it's Spring framework, right? So in India, we have the season like summer season, winter season, rainy season, right? In US, we have the 4 seasons, right? I think. Yes, here we have the 3 seasons. In the US, how many seasons we have? 4 seasons. What are the fourth season, guys? Anyone knows the season? In US, we have the 4 seasons. Winter, summer, rainy season is there. One more season is there. Yeah, spring season. It in
Spring,
yeah, spring season is there, right? Yeah, that
spring, winter. Yeah.
the spring season is there, right? The other likes that season, guys. That's what he gives us framework name like spring framework, right? Guys, the other likes that spring. That's what he liked the season, spring season. He given the name like spring framework, right? Exactly. It means that completely depends on other, guys. Like big data, like Hadoop, and that other kid like that big toy, big elephant toy. That's what he given like big data, and the symbol is called big elephant toy, right? Exactly. And Hibernate framework, guys. Maybe in your system, previously we have like a restart mode, shutdown mode, sleep mode, Hibernate mode is there, right? Anyone remember Hibernate mode? Based on that mode, he given the name is like Hibernate framework. So it means it says that the names are given by completely other develop like other intention. So if you want, you can create your own language. You can give your pet name as a language name, otherwise your village name as language name. That depends on you guys. And even Python is there. Python means what? The other likes the one comedy series like Monty Python Flying Circus. Guys, what a series name? Monty Python Flying Circus. From that Monty Python Flying Circus, he is given the name is called Python. It says clearly the completely the language names are depends on what other, right? Yes, language names are given by other, completely depends on other, right? Exactly. Guys, other is like James Gosling, vendor like Sun Microsystem. Initial name is like Oak language, present name is like Java language, right? Present name is what? Java, right? Exactly. Guys, what the present version of Java? Guys, what the present version of Java? Guys, what is the present version of Java? Which version is running now? Yeah, present version of Java is like Java 16th version, guys. So what is the initial version of Java? Initially, the Java released like JDK 1.0, JDK 1.0, which is released in 1996, guys. Guys, initial version is what? Initial version is JDK 1.0, which is released in what? 1996, right? Exactly. Yes, initial version is like JDK 1.0, 1996. Present version is like Java 16th version. Yeah, present version is what? Java 16th version, right? Exactly. Yes, before that 16, before the present version, like before the initial version, they'll go for the beta versions, guys. At that time, they release the trial versions, right? The trial version, guys. The beta versions are released in 1995, actually. Guys, beta versions are released in 1995, but initial version of Java released in 1996. Present version of Java is like Java 16th version, which is like released in 2021, right? This year only. Good, guys. Good. Guys, beta versions are 1995, but when the Java development starts, guys, James Gosling is started project, development starts in 1990s almost. Guys, 1990s, the development is started. Beta versions are released in 1995. Hmm. Beta versions are there in 1995, but official version of Java released in what? There's official version of Java released in what 1996, but present version of Java is what 2020, like Java 16th version, right? Exactly. Yes, present version is Java 16th version. Do you think like all the companies they're using 16th version directly? Guys, do you think like all the companies are using 16th version? No, right? So companies still they are developing application using which version? That version we generally we can call it as a stable version, guys. As the companies are using which version, that version generally we can call it as a stable version, right? Exactly. Yes, in the companies, the still the stable version is what? Anyone knows the stable version? See guys, in my projects, previous project, old project, still they are using Java 8 is a stable version. And the recently 1 year back, we started like new project. In that project, they started like Java 11th version, guys. Is my point of view, is my experience is like what? So only stable versions are Java 8 and Java 11 only still stable versions, guys. Still companies are not habituated the Java 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, guys. So what happened, when the new versions are introduced, the companies immediately it won't move like new versions, guys. It will take definitely take some time, right? And even this Oracle person, every year he releases two versions. Every year he's releasing two versions, guys. That's what still the companies are not habituated with what Java 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Still, my experience is like the stable versions of Java 8 and Java 11 is there actually. If you want, you can try to ask your friends, the guys who are working on Java development. Try to ask them like what the current version of Java you are using your application. Definitely, they can select Java 8 or 11. Okay, Java 8 or 11. No one will say like more than 11 version, guys. If anyone said like more than 11 version they're using Java 13, 14, please let me know. Is that clear now? Yeah. And this is like other, this is like gem vendor. This is like initial name of Java, present name of Java. Development starts in 1990s. Beta versions are 1995. Initial version is like JDK 1.0 1996. Present version of Java is what? Java 16th version. Stable version is what, guys? Guys, what is the stable version? Stable version is like Java. Guys, please respond. Stable version is what? Still Java 8 and Java 8 and what? Java 11 is a stable version, right? Exactly. Yeah, see, in real time, we have the open source technology and license version technologies, right? You heard about that word, right? Open source are there, the license versions are there, right? Open source versus yes or no, guys? When even you are using the mobile phones, like some open sources are there, license versions are there, right? Open source versus what? License version, guys. Guys, what do you mean open source? Guys, what do you mean open source? The words are important, guys. The points are important. Open source, license version. In your application, you're using like open source technologies or license version technologies, right? You have to know these all the points, guys. Open source means no costing. Yeah, exactly. No costing, guys. Everyone said like free for everyone, right? Exactly. Because open source means what? Free of cost. Free of cost means what? Freely you can download and you can use the software, right? Yes, freely you can download and you can use the software. So no need to get the license. Simple word. Yes, no need to get the no need to get what? No need to get the license, right? Exactly. Yes, open source means what? It's a free of cost, and no need to get the. Tell me, if open source means what? It's a free of cost. Free of cost means what? No need to get the.
No need to get the
No
license.
need to get the license. Yes, do you think like open source means only free of cost? Is only that point? Yes, free of open source means only free of cost. Any other point is there?
You can
Guys,
also
open
change
source.
this binary files. You can also check, or you can also extend that library.
What the meaning exactly? So extending library means what?
So whatever the
Open source means
existing
free of.
code they have developed, or existing functionality they have developed, so you can also extend that one, or you can also modify the source code if required based on your convenient.
Contribution, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Any user services cannot be addressed to them. Yeah, fine, good, guys. Actually, open source like means free of cost is one aspect, guys. And the name itself is saying like open source, guys. Source in a sense like source code. Whatever the code written by James Gosling for the Java development, you can download the source code, guys. Yes, whatever the code is downloaded by James Gosling, we can download whatever the code written by James Gosling, we can download that source code, and if you have the capability, we can modify that source code, and you can release the new product based on your talent. We can release a new product based on your name, right? Yes, open source means source code. Whatever the code written by James Gosling, that source code also we can download and we can edit also. No one will question you if you have the capabilities, right? Yeah. The main intention of open source is source code is open actually. Source code is open means what? Anyone can download the source code and can edit the source code, right? Because I'll show you where the source code is available, how can we edit the source code, how to see this all the dot class files code. I will tell you later. But as of now, remember like source code means what? Even you can see, guys. Actually, what happened in real time in my application, we are designing one product, guys. In application, we have to implement a lambda expression. In my product, I want to implement lambda expression. Okay, in my product, I want to implement lambda expression means I don't know where I have to start. I need some what idea, right? How to start the lambda expression coding and all. Yeah, in that case, what we will do, we have the open source product, right? We'll go and check the open source products. In open source products, how they are implemented the lambda expressions. Based on that code, I can get some idea, right? Yes or no, guys? James Gosling is developed lambda expression code in the Java product. In my product, I want to design my own lambda expression. In my product, if I want to design my own lambda expression, I can see the source code, I can get some idea or not how they are implemented. Exactly. It means what, guys? Open source means what? Source code is open. Yes, if anyone is saying like open source means don't say free of cost. Source open source means we have to select source code is freely available. You can edit the source code. You can use that word better in interview panel. Yes, open source means free of cost, fine. Free of cost is okay, but main point is what the source code is open. Source code is open means what, guys? What is the meaning of open? Anyone can download the source code. Can download the source code. Anyone can download the source code, can edit, right? Okay, the statement is clear. Anyone can download the source code, can edit the source code, guys. Guys, open source, the point is clear. Huh? Example of open source is, guys, Python is open source. We can Python is open source. And first we have to say Java, right? Because you are the Java developer. Java is open source, and Selenium is open source, and like multiple open sources are there. Android is open source. Like multiple open sources are there, right? Yeah, I hope you got the clarity about the open source, right? Open source means free of cost. There's one point. Open source means what, gets free of cost. We no need to get the license. No need to get the license. The main point is what, source code is open. Whatever the code written by James Gosling, that is called source code, guys. Guys, what are the code written by James Gosling? That code is called what?
Source code.
Whatever the code written by James Gosling, that is called source code, right? Yeah. Anyone can download the source code and can edit, guys. Can you read, right? Exactly. Best examples are what? Java, Python, Selenium, Android. These all are open source products. Good. Guys, what the opposite now? License version, right? License version. Yeah, license version means what? We have to pay. We have to pay. We have to pay money to get the license. Guys, to use the license products in our company, we have to pay some amount to that vendor, right? The guy who given that product. We have to pay. We have to pay money to get the. Tell me, guys. We have to pay money to get the license or not?
License.
Yeah, we
Yes.
have to pay money to get the license, guys.
License.
It's not like lifelong license, guys. Maybe it depends on the agreement. Maybe 1 year or 2 years they get the license. After that, again we have to pay money. Again, renewal the license, right? Yeah, that depends on the require. Depends on the product, guys. License version means what? Definitely we have to pay money, because these days companies are not at all interested to use license versions. Companies are completely changed in the two aspects, guys. The company, assume like you have the company, guys, you have the company, you have to design application, then it is recommended to go for the open source license versions. Is recommended to go with the open source license version.
Open
Definitely is
source.
recommended to go with what? Open sources, right? Yeah. Companies two aspects that change the complete behaviors, guys. These days companies are mostly using, like, not completely, mostly using like open source products, and even companies these days, no one is interested to give the training to the juniors regarding frameworks, regarding technologies. See, previously, when you join the company, they'll give the training like 1 month, 2 months regarding the corresponding technology. They'll put into the project, right? Hmm? But these days, do you think the companies are giving the training for that? Hmm? For project related information, maybe they'll give the KT. They'll be the KT, knowledge transfer. KT means knowledge transfer. Maybe 1 week or 10 days they'll give the KT on the project. But no one will give this training on the spring classes and technologies that you're using in the application, right? Guys, do you agree or not? So companies are completely changed in these two perspectives, guys. Perspective one is companies are mostly using the open source products. Okay, open source products, and the companies are not interested to give the trainings. Whatever the things you have to learn, first you try to learn the things and attend the interviews, try to work for the job. That's it. Yes or no? Yeah. Guys, do you agree or not with the points I'm saying? Hmm? You have to agree. Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Yes, agree, sir.
Because whatever the points I'm saying, I'll talk practically. So because I have the much experience in real time. So almost 15 years experience. Teaching was almost 15 to 50 years of teaching. So I work with multiple technologies, right? So I know the scenarios about the applications and all. Yes, first one is license. Open source means what, gets free of cost, no need to get the license. And the second one is what, source code is open. Anyone can download source code, can edit, right? Yeah. Yes, license version means what, we have to pay money to get the license. That is number one. We have to pay money to get the license. What is number two, guys? Uh, Guys, even though once if you pay the money, do you think they will give the source code to you? Guys, do you think like they will give the source code to you?
Yeah.
Definitely no, right? The source code is not open, guys. They won't give the source code to you, right? The source code, source code is what? Source code is open or not open means what? Source code is not open, right? Yes, the statement is clear. A source code is open or not open means they'll give a license to run that software. That's it. They won't share you the source code also. The source code is not available, guys. The source code is not available, right? Exactly. Yes, what the example of license version tell me? I think .NET is mostly .NET framework is license version. .NET is license version. .NET is license version. If you go for Oracle database license version, very clear now. .NET and Oracle is license version, right? Yeah, iPhone operating system. iOS is also license version, right? Apple mobiles. Yes, Apple is open source license version. Yeah, service no. Yeah, these all are license versions, right? Exactly. Guys, can you hear me properly?
Yes, we can hear you.
Can you hear me right? Akash, Vikas. Yes, everyone said yes only, man. But some guys are saying disturbance means check your side in net connections, internet connections required. Internet connection, just you can check your side. Aditya, check your side. Mahesh Sharma.
Voice is fluctuating. So
Is it clear now? Yeah. Guys, he finally decided like, yeah. Some case maybe some internet little.
again breaking.
Again breaking. Yeah.
Talking guys because of your friends only that is breaking actually. Huh? Can you hear me now?
It's
Now we
okay
can
now.
hear. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Guys, is that like Java is open source or license version? Guys, Java is what
Open
type of software?
open
Java is
source.
open source product. Exactly. Guys, open source, you got that clarity, right? Open source means what is a free of cost one pointer and the source code is open. Source code is open means what? Anyone can download the source code and anyone can edit the source code, right? Because anyone can download the source code and anyone can edit the source code, right? That is called basically open source point, guys. So definitely Java is what type of software, guys? Type of software. Java is open source license version. Definitely Java is what? Open source product, right? Exactly. That's one thing, guys. And second point you can see, guys, now you're taking the core Java. Maybe if you want to become a Java developer, after core Java, you will take advanced Java, right? Is that core Java, advanced Java is official terms or unofficial terms? Guys, core Java, advanced Java, do you think like official terms or unofficial terms?
Unofficial.
Guys, in unofficial
Unofficial.
classes, generally our classes, basics of Java, we are saying it's like, yeah, basics of Java, we are calling it as a core Java. A bit advanced topics, we can call it as advanced Java, guys. But core Java, advanced Java, official terms or unofficial terms means definitely unofficial terms, right? Exactly. Guys, core Java, advanced Java is unofficial terms, guys. Then what are the official terms? Tell me. Core Java, Advanced Java are not Core Java, Advanced Java unofficial terms, guys. As per the Sun Microsystem standards. As per the Sun Microsystems standard, exactly, Naidu. As per Sun Microsystem standard, the Java divided into, tell me, guys, Java divided into how many parts? Java divided into three parts, guys. Actually. Guys, Core Java, Advanced Java is not official terms, guys. Core Java, Advanced Java are Core Java, Advanced Java are what? Not official terms, right? That's otherwise simply unofficial terms, guys. Core Java, Advanced Java, unofficial terms. As per the Sun Microsystem standards, the Java divided into how many parts, guys? Total? Java divided into how many parts? Total three parts, right? What are the three parts, guys? Number one is like what? JDSC, guys. What the JDSC full form here? So Java 2, okay, Java 2 standard edition, right? Okay, the first point is what? JTSC. Java 2. Guys, tell me JTSC means what? Java 2, Java 2 standard edition, right? Exactly. Second one is what, guys? J2EE. So J2EE means what, guys? Java 2, Java 2. Tell me, Java 2 Enterprise Edition, right? So Java 2 Enterprise Edition, right? Exactly. The third point is what, guys? J2ME. So J2ME means what? So Java 2 what? Micro Edition, right? Exactly. Guys, total how many parts of Java we have total here? Total 3 parts of Java we have. One is like JTSC, Java 2 Standard Edition, Java 2 Enterprise Edition, Java 2 Micro Edition, right? The 3 parts of Java, guys. Yeah, JDSC, JDE, and what? JDME, right? Exactly. Guys, whatever the core Java you are taking the core Java classes means, is it core Java belongs to JDSC or JDE? Guys, core Java belongs to JDSC or JDE or JDME. As CoreJava belongs to JDSC or JDE or JDME means definitely CoreJava belongs to JDSC part, guys. So indirectly you are taking now J2SC classes here. Guys, CoreJava belongs to, yeah, CoreJava belongs to which part, guys, here? J2SC part, right? Exactly. Guys, see, I think every point is important, right? First point is like open source versus license version. Open source means like free of cost. Source code is open. Anyone can download the source code, can edit it. We decided like Java is an open source product. Anyone can use freely, and we can download source code. Second point, you are taking the CoreJava Advanced Java, guys, but CoreJava Advanced is official terms or unofficial terms means unofficial terms, CoreJava Advanced Java. Then what are the unofficial terms means? As per the Sun Microsystem standards, Sun Microsystem is a vendor, right? He is a company. This company given the Java. As per these standards, Java divided into how many parts, guys? Total here 3 parts. What are 3 parts, guys? Here JDSC, JDEE, JDME. Guys, see, my class is very clear, and we will go for the standard steps and standard process, guys. If we take any core Java class in Amirpet, they will take 10 days theory only. But it's not like that, guys. Even when you're listening the theory, you must feel like that is important, right?
Yes.
So what are the points I'm saying? Definitely, these information definitely required, right? They definitely required, guys. Yeah. So we decide like core Java belongs to which part, guys, here? And even freshers, guys, even freshers. Today onwards, I'll share these notes to you. Every day you can take the notes, guys. You can put the day one. Every day can put the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 like that. At least you'll come to know that how many days the class is going on and what the topic is taking, how many days. You'll get some clarity, right? That's what, guys. Even for the employees, okay, fine. Employees, they know like how to learn, how to apply the programming in the real time. But the student level, we have to focus more clearly. Student level, guys, try to take the book and try to every day you try to write the notes. Today onwards, I'll share these notes with you. Even though if I share the PDF documents, guys, PDF document is all reference purpose. But when you take the pen and paper, pen and book, if you write the points, you get the more clarity, right? Yeah, freshers, definitely please follow that notes, okay? Please write the notes. Yes, yes, sir. No, definitely it's going to help, right?
Yeah.
But while taking the class, guys, don't write the running notes, please. Because whatever the points I'm saying, I'm writing every point, right? So while listening the class, don't take the running notes. Because while writing the running notes, then what happened, we have to focus on the class, focus on the running notes, right? Maybe you're unable to put the much concentration on the class. We are unable to put the much concentration in the class. Every point I will write here, I will document it. That's what you just listen the class properly. After the class, you try to do the practicals without postpone the practicals. Programming language is all about the practicals. If you are doing the more practicals, you get the more confidence. When you have the more confidence, you will clear the interview more clearly. That's it. If you are not doing the practicals, there is no confidence, there is no chance of clearing interview, right? To clear the interview, you must be good at the subject, right? Once if you know the subject, you'll get the confidence. Once you get the confidence, you can clear the interview. If you don't know subject, if you don't know practically, if you know theoretically only, then what you guys will do? Is there any confidence is there in that case? There is no confidence. There is no confidence means what? Nothing. Yes or no? That's the point, guys. Guys, CoreJava belongs to which part, guys? Total here. CoreJava belongs to which part means JTSC part, right? Exactly. Guys, parts of Java. Parts of Java means how many parts are there? 3 parts, guys. One is a JTSC, JDEE, and JTME, right? Your CoreJava belongs to which part means JTSC part, right? Exactly, guys. These are the parts of the Java. Guys, these are the parts of the Java, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? Guys, today please try to download the Java, guys. Try to install the Java. So download and development setup, guys. So development setup, right? If you go for the development setup, guys, development setup, today download and install the Java, right? Exactly. Because every day you try to see the websites to get the more clarity, right? To get the more clarity. So to download the Java, guys, you can go for the which company, guys? Now Java product from, guys. Now Java product from which company?
Oracle.
Oracle, sir.
Oracle.
Oracle Corporation, right? If Oracle Corporation means you can write what? Oracle.com. Oracle.com/Java. Oracle.com/Java, right? Oracle.com/Java. This is the website, guys. This is the website for the Oracle, like Java process. The website, guys. Website is like, this is a website. Oracle.com/Java. Yes, you try to open that website and try to see what the website contains at least. What is the difference between the core and advanced Java? Nitin, so your core Java belongs to JDSC part, your advanced Java belongs to JEE part. In detail, I'll tell you later, but as of now, you can think like core Java means JDSC part, advanced Java means what? JEE part. And when compared to advanced Java, JEE contains some more technologies that I will tell you. But as of now, hmm, uh, uh, yes, huh? Guys, clear now. That's the point, guys. Core Java and advanced Java is right. So in detail, I'll tell you later, guys. But as of now, JTSC, JDEE, and JTME is there. So Java to Standard Edition, Enterprise Edition, and what Micro Edition, right? Yeah, that is the point, guys. What the website, guys? Yeah, I'm showing the website, right? Today you try to see this website, guys. When you open this website, okay, get some clarity. Okay, this is like, would you like to visit Arkill countryside closer to you? Fine. This is the products are there. Products are there. Industries, resources, support, event, developers, and all. And see, guys, this is like download button is there, right? Are you able to see this download button? Right hand side. Guys, are you able to see the download button? Right hand side. This is the download button, guys. This is like download button. Click on this download button, guys. Guys, go to the website, go to the website, click on download button. Guys, go to the website, go to above link, Guys, go to what? Above link. So click on what? Click on download, right? Click on download, guys. Once if you click on download button, this is my download button, download Java button, guys. Click on download Java button. Click on what? Download Java button is there, right? Exactly. This is the button we can see, guys. Once if you click on this link, once if you click on this, you will get like this is the window. Java SC is there, guys. You're able to select. This is saying like core Java na Java SC na. Guys, is it showing like core Java or it is showing Java SC?
Java SC.
Definitely showing like what? Java SC, right? Java to Standard
Java
Edition, right? Exactly. At the present version of Java, guys, here, Java SE 16th version, right? Guys, if once you click on that, you will get this link, guys. First, visit this website. Visit this website, guys. Go to the above link, click on download Java. Then you will get this link, guys. Actually, Java SE download. Guys, these points you have to observe. Oracle Corporation, Java Technologies, Java SE download. Nothing but Java Standard Edition download, right? Exactly. That's the point, guys. Guys, in that, which one you want to see, guys? Because if you have the time, just you can try to open this documentation, try to see these documentations, guys. Once if you go for the documentations, our API documentations are there, right? Yeah. Yeah, see guys, these are API documentation. You will get language update specifications. This is all about API documentation, guys. API, click on this API documentation. Because if you click on API documentation, what happens, you will get the complete information about your Java. Yes, your complete information about what your Java will get, right? Yeah, how many packages are there? What the purpose of this all the packages? You'll get some information, guys. It's fine. When you have the time, you try to check that point. But see, as of now, we want to download the Java. Download the Java. Yeah. Yeah, if you go for download HTML, guys, in this HTML, what we have to click, we have to go for the Java SC, right? Guys, are you able to see this website, right? Yeah. Yes, let's see in the left hand side, we have the option like JDK download is there, right? Guys, article JDK download. So, which version you have to download? Guys, you try to install the latest version, 16th version only better. If you go for the 16th version, because later you'll see the features of Java 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? That's what better to go for the 16th version, latest version download, guys. Are you able to see this link, right? JDK download. So click on this JDK download, guys. Guys, click on what? JDK download, right? Exactly. Once if you click on JDK download, you get this window, guys. So go to above link. Yeah, go to above link, guys. In above link, guys, in above link, what we have to in above link, what you have to click? In above link,
Documents.
what you have to click is in above link. Guys, what we have to click in above link? In above link, so click on what? JDK download, right? Exactly. So in above link, so click on what? Click on what? JDK download, right? JDK. In above link, guys, click on Java 16th version. JDK download is there. Guys, downloading process. What are the points I'm writing? This is fine, right? Or you want me write the points like open the system, open the Google Chrome browser, enter the Java downloader. Yes or no? The downloading speed is dependent. The downloading time is depends on internet speed. 100 Mbps means 2 minutes it will take. 200 Mbps means 1 minute it will take. Is all the required, guys?
No.
When you download the Java, it goes to download folder. When you download the Java, it go for download folder only, right? If you don't know that point, you download the Java, go for download folder. Then what is the need of doing software engineering? JDK download, guys. Click on JDK download, right? Guys, first you can go for the website. What the website name? oracle.com/java. This is the website. In this website, download Java button is there. Click on the, go to the above link, click on the button, click on button, download Java button is there. Once if you click on this button, you will get this link. In this link, we have to click on the Java 16th version JDK download, right? Yes or no? Yeah. Once if you are doing that, you will get, once if you click on this one, the link is changed, right? Every link I'm placing, guys. Every link I'm placing here. Every link placing now. Yeah, see this one. Some smart guys are there. Some smart guys, what they will do? Directly they will go to this link, they download the Java. Guys, don't do like that. You try to go for the step-by-step process. First to open this, then click on download button, check this, go for the JDK download, check this. Directly don't open this like any of this directly download link. I can open this download link directly. Even you can do, but it's not recommended. Just you can go for the flow, right? Yes or no? Guys, in this, just you can come down. So in the come down, you can see these all the links, guys, here. Because we have to download the exe file, guys. Don't go for the zip file. This is a compressed zip file is there, but we have to go for the installer. Windows 64-bit install, guys. This 150 MB file. JDK bin.exe file, right? Guys, JDK bin.exe file, right? Exactly. Very clear now. Just you can copy this. Just we can copy this. Yeah, here you can download the link, guys. Okay, sorry, clear now? Yeah, guys, we have to go for the Windows installer. We have to click on, guys. So we have to click on installer, right? Exactly. Because you got the clarity, right? Development setup. So website, guys, go to this website. In this website, go for this download Java button. Once if you open the button, you will get this link. Once you will get this link, JDK download is there. Once if you click on this, you will get this. In this link, we have to click on Windows 64 exe file. Then download is started. Guys, downloading is started, right? Guess yes or no? Download is started, right? Exactly. That is a point, guys. Guys, today try to download complete the downloading process. Once the downloading process completed, what installation process, right? Guys, install the Java or not? Guys, once the downloading process is completed, next one is what? Install the Java, right? Guys, install the Java means you can click on next button, finish button, right? Yeah, install the Java, guys. Install the Java means what? Next, finish. Guys, don't ask like how many next buttons, how many finish buttons. Just click on next. That click on finish, guys. Guys, while installation, you try to read some information, guys. They are saying Java is a very good product. 3 billion devices are runs on Java. Smartphones, graphic cards, web application, enterprise application, the radar systems, credit card applications. These all are using based on Java. While installation, they are saying these all the points. Okay, installation time, try to read the some points. Okay, good. Install the Java means what, guys? Click on next, finish. You no need to change any settings, guys. We no need to change any settings, nothing. Click on next, finish, right? Exactly. Because are you clear now? Yeah, click on next, finish, guys. The downloading process will be completed, right? Because once the downloading process is completed, sorry, installation process will be completed, guys. Once the installation process successful means what? Once the installation process completed, yeah, process completed, we will get once the installation process is completed, guys, the folder location, is, guys, what is the folder location? Guys, once the initiation process completed, by default the folders are goes which location, guys? Local disk C, right? Guys, once the installation completed, where the folders are most? Local disk C or not? Local disk C,
Yeah.
program files. Local disk C, program files. In the program files, we have the Java. You can check Java. I think in my system I have the 2 versions, guys. Java 15th version is there, Java 8 version is there. Once you install the Java 16th version, you will get only that folder, Java 16th version folder, right? You'll get the Java 16th version folder, guys. Just to open this folder, right? Guys, just to open this folder, JDK 16. Guys, once if you decide like we got this JDK 16th version folder here, then you can decide you install Java properly. Guys, you install Java properly, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear now? That installation process will be completed. Guys. The folder location is this location, guys. In this folder, we will get what? JDK, right? Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
This is like JDK what? Java slash JDK 15th version. We got the information, right? Exactly. Maybe if you install the 16th version means what, guys? So we will get the Java 16th version, right? Yes or no? Yeah. Guys, you try to see the up to this point because every day we'll go for some installation process, some points here. So we got the clarity like who is author of Java, guys, today? Guys, today we got information about who is author of Java. The author of Java is like Jim. Tell me, please respond. Who is author of Java?
James Gosling.
James Gosling, right? Who is a vendor, guys? Vendor in the sense
Sun
company. Which
Microsystem.
company?
Sun Microsystem.
And Oracle.
Initially it is from Microsystem. Now it is from which company? Oracle, right?
Oracle.
Oracle.
Like is there Core Advanced is official terms?
No.
No, sir.
These are not official, right? Then what are official terms? The official terms are like
JTSC, J2EE, JT.
and what? JTME, right? JTSC, JWE and what? JTME. There are 3 parts of Java we have. JTSC, JWE and what? JTME, right? Your CoreJava belongs which part, guys? Definitely your CoreJava belongs to what? JTSC part, right? Exactly. JTSC part, right? Java is an open source license version.
Open source.
Open source.
Java is open source license version.
Open source.
Open source.
Open source means what? Free of cost. Anyone can download the source code, even can edit the source code, right? What the present version of Java?
16,
Present version of Java is like 16th version, but what is the stable version?
8 and 11.
So this 8 and 11. Depends, guys. Mostly 99% the stable versions are 8 and 11. 8 and 11 only. Here's the point, guys. Because I hope you understood like a website, right? How to open this Java website? To open the Java website, just to go for there directly, oracle.com/java. Actually, website is oracle.com, guys, and oracle.com we require the /java software, right? Java/java. Once if you open this website, what you have to tell me? Open this website. After that,
Download button.
guys, tell me the process. I open the website. After opening the website, what next step?
Download
We'll
button.
get the download button, right? So the left hand side is the download button, guys. Simply we can click on what? Click on this download button, right?
Yeah.
So click on this
Then-
download button, guys. Once if you click on this download button, then you will get the download page, right? Yeah. Once if you click on this download button, you will get the JDK 16th version, JDK 15th version, JDK 12th version, 11th version. It shows all the versions, guys. It shows all the versions, guys. Yeah. Guys, tomorrow you have the class, Saturday. Tomorrow can we have the class or they can take a holiday? Tomorrow you have the
We can take the class.
Yeah, tomorrow you have the class, guys. Guys, we done the couple of demo classes. I think you guys received the payment details, right? Try to complete this, so that I'll share the PDF documents and you'll get the recorded session. Okay? You'll get the recorded session.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Hello,
give me a-
Ramesh sir.
Java
Ramesh
API
sir,
means
what
what, sir?
uh,
Java API means what, sir?
API means application programming interface that I'll tell you. API just contains complete information about your Java. What is Java? Java contains how many classes, how many interfaces, all the information. Just like API, I will tell you in detail later, but as of now you understood like
Okay.
API contains the complete information about the Java. Just like see, when you purchase a washing machine, do you know how to use that washing machine? Assume like you don't know how to use that washing machine, then what you will do?
I will check all the features.
You will
We
check the
can go
user
through
manual.
manual.
Exactly. Java level API is the manual. So API contains the complete information about the Java. In the real time, I don't know how to use that class means I'll go for the API documentation. I will check the code.
Okay.
API contains
Where
the
I
complete.
can see that API documentation, sir?
Yeah,
Java API.
I can download the API documentation. See, documentation download is there, right? This is like documentation. And
Okay.
even you can click the link also there. I'll show you the link also. And see, guys, even collections, multi-threading, exception handling, I will write the coding by checking the API documentation only. So multiple times I'll open the API user manuals, API documentations. Okay, no worries. Because we are not robots to remember all the methods and all the classes, right? At least we have,
Yes,
as a
sir.
real-time employee, you have to know how to check the predefined support, how we are able to write the code, right? That's what even my CoreJava classes, Advanced Java classes, Spring classes, I will show the API documentation, I'll write the code.
What is the site for Java API, sir?
I will show you. This is not right time to discuss those all the points. I will show you definitely. The time comes, I'll show you.
Hello sir, actually what is means a fee structure and everything? Can you explain
You
us,
got the
or maybe
mail,
I
right?
can just now I registered today, so I did not receive yet.
Then you get the mail after the class. Then you get the payment details and everything. Just you can try to check. And guys, I'll share you 3 numbers. If the payment regarding payment, any issues are there, just you can call. Yeah, class notes, Sarita. Yeah, I forgot. Guys, every day I'll share the class notes. Today, this is the class notes I want to share with you. Give me a second, guys. 1 second. I'll share these class notes first. Guys, to share these class notes, you can go for the protectedtest.com. One website is there. Yeah, protectedtest.com. Yeah. Yes, today onwards, you try to take the book and take the pen and write the notes. Okay? Try to write the notes, guys. Give me some name for the class. CoreJava 9 AM. This is the class name. CoreJava 9 AM. No, this link is not present. Core 9 AM. Core advanced, right? Because this is for core advanced. I have to go for the core advanced 9 AM. If you go for the core advanced 9 AM, yeah, core 9 AM, you can give it. Unique name you have to give because previous batches I'm using. That's what it's not showing. Core 9 AM. So this is the creator site. Today's day first notes, guys. I'm placing the complete notes here. Complete notes here. Everyone try to open that link and then try to write the class notes. Guys, see this link, everyone. I'll share this link. Guys, everyone is able to see that link, right? Try to open that link. When you open this link, it's asking password, right? The password for that link is Java, Java. Java is the password. Guys, what's the password for this link? The password for that link is what? Java. Java is the password, guys. Guys, are you clear now?
Yeah.
Today onwards, try to write the notes, guys. The link is opening, right, everyone? Yeah. Guys, we done a couple of demo classes and we'll meet in tomorrow class. We'll continue, but try to come. Even tomorrow also you can join, no problem. And Sunday no class, right? Monday the link will be. The Monday link will be changed. Anyway, just you try to complete the formalities, right? Try to complete the fee payments, guys. So that I'll share the PDF documents with you and recorded session PDF documents. I'll share all the documents with you. Yes, tomorrow we'll meet by 9 o'clock. Demo classes I'm starting a bit late, 9, 10, because everyone is facing some network issues to join the class, right? Maybe audio issues, network issues. That's what I'm joining a bit late, 9, 10 I'm starting the class. Once if we complete the formalities, Monday onwards we'll start the class by 9 o'clock.
Monday onwards, 9 to 10:30 will be there, or 9 to 10 will be there?
No, 90, 10 will start, 1 hour class. 9 to 10, 1 hour class. Yeah.
And how long it will go on? Means 2 months, 3 months? Like
2 months, not 3 months. Mostly 2 months, mostly 1 week or 10 days extra. Mostly 2 months. Yeah.
Sir, is there any fast track batch is there for your classes?
2 months only.
This 400.
2 months only fast track, man. Guys, to get the clarity with the subject, at least spend the 2 months. It's not like 6 months and 7 months, right? In MA classes, they are taking almost 8 months classes to complete the CoreJava. That is unnecessary things. At least 2 months we have to spend because 1 month getting the clarity also not that much possibility is there. That's what, if you want to complete bit early means evening 5 o'clock class is there. Those are starting like OOPS concepts, exception handling, these all the concepts. OOPS concepts, exception handling concept, you try to join the evening batch. Basic classes you can complete here. Within 1 month, you'll complete the course. If you attend the 2 classes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is the fee for a class?
Evening batch, how many days it will be? That batch is started days?
I started like almost 1 month back.
Okay, sir. Okay. I'll be registered and I'll join parallel.
Within what is the info you will get from CoreJava? What all info now? Info in the sense information. No? 2 months of CoreJava, yeah, 2 months of Advanced Java, right? Yes, exactly. Code. If you go for the same class 9 to 10, 4 months it will take to complete the core and Advanced Java. Okay. Yeah. Bye guys. Tomorrow we'll meet. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
bye.